Morning, everyone. My name is Kathleen Blackwell, and I am currently completing my internship at the Oklahoma Department of Human Services in K County, Oklahoma, as a permanency worker. Today, I will introduce you to DHS, its mission, services, and history, as well as my role within the agency. I started working for Oklahoma DHS back in May, but I wasn't able to go through core until the beginning of July. So I just finished with my core assignment in August of 2024. So now I have my actual caseload. So I actually get to do my internship over my current caseload that I am working on. So about Oklahoma DHS. Oklahoma DHS has a mission statement, and the mission statement is the mission of Oklahoma DHS is to help individuals and families in need through essential services that promote safety, stability, and self-sufficiency. DHS strives to protect children and vulnerable adults, support families, and provide access to programs that improve well-being and quality of life. The services offered by Oklahoma DHS. So, Oklahoma DHS offers some broad range of services, including child welfare services, which is what I am in, adult protective services, which is protecting vulnerable adults from abuse, neglect, and exploitation, which is pretty much the same as what a child welfare specialist does, but they do it more as for adults instead of the children. A child welfare service investigates abuse, neglect reports, and providing foster care. And we work towards permanency for the children, if that is reunification or, in some cases, adoption. Family support programs are assistance for families with like food benefits, such as SNAP, and then childcare and financial aid, which is like TANF. So when they're unable to work or anything like that, the family support can give them TANF and SNAPs. Aging services are supporting elderly individuals with in-home care, nutrition programs, and medical assistance. Then we have, lastly, developmental disability services, providing support for individuals with disabilities and their families. So some of the history and impact of Oklahoma DHS, and I know that we see a lot of Oklahoma DHS in the news at this time, but Oklahoma DHS was established in 1936 as a state department of public welfare. Oklahoma DHS has evolved to address the growing needs of Oklahomans. Over the years, the agency has expanded its services focusing on child welfare reform to improve outcomes for children in foster care. There was a Pinnacle plan that launched in 2012, which was a major initiative to improve foster care services and ensure permanency for children. DHS continues to adapt policies and programs to better serve vulnerable populations and create stronger communities. I am also on the current ICWA team for our county, and we work very well and sorry, I keep saying a lot. We work very closely with our tribes so that we can work with them and try to get permanency and make sure that these kids are stable in their current foster homes. We try to make them or get them in tribal homes, but if they're not available, we provide our foster homes with pamphlets and information about the tribe and their heritage so that we can try to keep these children involved with their heritage. So my role as a permanency worker is responsibility for ensuring stable long-term placements for children in the foster care. I work closely with families and the resource caregivers to assess the support, reunification, or adoption if necessary. I also collaborate with legal professionals to facilitate court proceedings related to child welfare. I also am required to staff bi-weekly with the tribes and to make active efforts with them. We also have like a family treatment court that I'm involved in and we work hard with our families with services and getting them into substance abuse and all those categories that they need to be into. I also provide case management and ensure that children receive appropriate services and supports, and not just children. I also do that with the parents. I make sure that all my referrals are in and ROIs are signed so that I can get updates from their service providers. So my internship has given me firsthand experience in navigating the complexities of child welfare while applying my social work education in real world settings. Now, like I said, I am doing my internship on my current caseload at the moment, but I still to this day learn new things every single day. And I haven't been doing the child welfare forever. So, I mean, I was a court clerk for 13 years and I worked with DHS on the other side of it. So I knew how, like, what the paperwork and stuff like that was, but I did not know the details that go into child welfare. This is more than a full-time job, but it's very rewarding at the same time. And I chose to do child welfare because I was also a foster child, so I know firsthand what the experiences are. And I had mentioned at one time to one of my coworkers that I believe that I might have seen my DHS worker maybe once a year. And I go out to these homes once a month, and I'm just dumbfounded that I only seen mine maybe once a year. So the conclusion for my video, Oklahoma DHS plays a critical role in protecting and supporting vulnerable children and families. As an intern for Kay County, I have gained invaluable experience working toward permanency solutions for children in foster care. This opportunity has reinforced my passion for social work and my commitment to advocating for children and families in need. I just want to thank you for your time, and I am happy that I am able to do this internship through my current job. I know that some people are doing it through other fields. One other thing on my heart was mental health. I know we need a lot of services for mental health, and we don't seem to have any of those, or a lot of them, anyways. But I look forward to learning more and building with my team and my degree. I look forward to this class, and thank you for your time.